Welcome back, garden enthusiasts. Today we're exploring how to use cardboard, paper, straw, and hay to enhance your compost and boost your garden's health naturally. Let's get started. Cardboard and paper are fantastic additions to your compost. Shredded cardboard and paper add carbon, an essential component for balanced compost. Make sure to use non-glossy and ink-free materials for the best results. Be cautious with wax-coated cardboard and heavily inked papers. These can introduce unwanted chemicals into your compost, so it's best to avoid them. Straw and hay are excellent for providing structure to your compost pile. They are rich in carbon and help aerate the compost, allowing for better decomposition. Here's how to add these materials effectively. First, tear or shred cardboard and paper into small pieces. Next, start with a layer of straw or hay, then add shredded cardboard or paper. Mix these with green materials like vegetable scraps and grass clippings. Regularly turn and mix your compost to ensure proper aeration and decomposition, and keep the compost moist but not waterlogged. The right moisture level helps microorganisms break down the materials efficiently. Compost made from cardboard, paper, straw, and hay enriches the soil with essential nutrients, improves soil structure, and enhances moisture retention. Your plants will thrive with the added organic matter and better soil conditions. Composting with cardboard, paper, straw, and hay is an easy and effective way to enhance your garden naturally. Give it a try and see the difference in your plants. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!